welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the February Boxycharm unboxing and try on, and I have a co-filmer that fell asleep on the job. Let's get into it today. The first thing we're going to try on today is the Wonder Beauty eyeshadow eye and face palette. This retails for $36. This is what the palette looks like. It's really nice and soft. This actually would have been perfect for Valentine's Day yesterday, but I didn't open it until today. So we are just going to do a soft look today. I've already primed my oily lids with the Makeup by Mario Master Eye Prep and Set in medium, which I absolutely love if you have oily lids because it's a cream and then you set it with powder. I'm going to take a Smashbox, it's kind of a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Villa, which is this one right here. It might be a little bit too light, but we shall see. I'm just going to pop that in the crease. Actually, it has a lot more color than it looks like in the palette. All these shades look very, very soft and light. It's actually very surprising how much color. I should zoom you guys in. Now, hopefully you guys can see. That's actually really pretty. I've never used Wonder Beauty at all. I've heard really good things about their face powder that I want to try. But this eyeshadow actually blended really, really easily and really nicely. It kind of just blended itself. We love shadows that you don't have to work so hard to blend. For me, since I have like monolids, this is a really nice crease color for days when I just want to like not really do shadow. It's really nice to kind of give it that contour. So just for funsies, I'm gonna go in with Chateau, which is the other matte shade here. It's a little bit darker, so I'm going to use a smaller crease brush. This one is the Morphe M441. I'm just going to try it in the outer corner first. Kind of see how dark it is. It's a little bit darker than the first color we put down. So now we're just going to go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to use, I don't know, they're all so pretty. It's this one, what are these two at the top? I kind of want to do something not too bright, so I'm going to do Yacht, which is this color here. That's really pretty. That matches the blending shades pretty well. It's really pretty. I'm also just going to go in with Cabana, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to place that on the inner corner. Ooh, it's a different color than I thought was going to come out, but it's still, regardless, very pretty. I feel like all of these shades in here kind of have like a warm undertone to them, which is pretty nice. So eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and put some shadow on and a little bit of bronzer, and then we're going to come back and do the cheeks. Next, we are going to apply the blush, which I typically go for more of like a warm, corally, peachy kind of blush, but this one is pink, so we are going to just apply a little bit on the apples of the cheeks. Which actually that's kind of pretty. Then we are going to apply the highlighter, which looks like it's going to be very pretty. It's very pigmented. It's really pretty. It went on so smoothly too. Like my skin doesn't look You know, some highlighters that are like super shiny make your skin look like super porousy and stuff. This one actually like smooths your skin plus highlights. I'm gonna do a little bit of Chateau on the lower lash line. Just a little bit to give dimension. I'm just gonna throw in a gloss and call it a day. I'm just gonna put on my Fenty Glow Gloss. My lips are kind of dry, so. The next and last item that we're trying today, because a bunch of them I can't really try on camera for you guys, but we are going to try the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist, which this is interesting because there's literally gold in here. This retails for $14.99. I'm scared because I have oily skin. Let me spin it around. Can you guys see the gold in there? I'm oily. I don't know about this one. Let's try it anyways. Has like the same exact packaging as Fix Plus. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, that spray is strong. Okay, away from the face. I mean, oh, I missed. It smells like something. Has a fragrance to it. I kind of took off my makeup. Can you guys see right there? Was that from the spray? Oh, it has to be. It was wet. Okay, if I pat it in, it went away. But the spray is very strong on that. Whoa, my hair. The spray is very strong. And I see gold on my face. Hold up. There's gold all over my face. I only notice it because I'm like staring at my skin and I know I just sprayed gold on my face, but I feel like, oh, there's a gold fleck in my eyebrow. Hold on, let me show you guys. There's definitely gold on my face. I don't know if I like that. I see gold everywhere. I see it all. It's like all over my face. I think this would be cute, you know, on the body. Like once we're allowed to travel again and go to tropical places, if you want to have like a glow, this would be really cute to spray on the body. Even put like a highlighter on top just to make it pop even more. But for the face, not for me. We have a cuticle oil, which I desperately need because my skin, since it's been the winter, has been so cold and so dry. So I love me some cuticle oils. And this one is so cute because it has hearts, little hearts inside of it. Cuticle oil is always a must for me. The cuticle oil retails for $18. Next up we have Saturday Skin, which is a vitamin C sleeping mask, and I actually have one of these that I haven't tried yet, so I can't give a review yet, but it is just a sleeping mask you put on overnight, and Saturday Skin has really good stuff. So the Saturday Skin retails for $29, and the last item I'm actually really excited for, it's the Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. And so I've never done like an exfoliant or like a scrub on my hair, which I feel like I should because I do use hair products. I use dry shampoo, so I'm excited to try this to see if I will notice any difference or if it helps. But it's supposed to help improve scalp health, but also remove product buildup. And this is just what the tube looks like. I'm excited to try this the next time I shower. And that retails for $18.95. And that about wraps it up for this month's Boxycharm box. I think this box was okay. It definitely wasn't one of my favorite boxes just because the spray, I will not be using this on my face. The scalp scrub, I'm excited to try. The face and cheek palette, I think performed really, really well. And I'm also excited to try the vitamin C sleep mask because anytime I can do like skincare or masks that I can just sleep in and not have to wash away or worry about timing myself or anything, I'm all for, because sometimes I just neglect face masks. So I'm excited to try that one. Comment down below what you got in your Boxycharm box this month. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!